Bingxiang Technology Capital Limited is located in Huizhou, Guangdong. It is a national high-tech enterprise and a national specialized and innovative small giant enterprise. As the commercial vehicle low speed and manual driving standards editor, Bingxiang Technology is committed to R&D and industrial layout of low speed and manual driving and remote control technologies. Its self-developed remote control domain operation system can remotely operate vehicles and machinery from the office for driving forwards, backwards, turning, queuing, as well as excavating, grabbing, dipping bucket dumping. It also enables route planning, high precision positioning, and a 360-degree panoramic monitoring of vehicles. Their latency less than or equal 200 milliseconds. High precision, shockproof, 9.73J. The matching simulated cabin refers to the original vehicle with steering wheel, pedals, joysticks and switches. High simulation, comfortable driving, realistic control. Bingxiang Remote Control Domain Operation System features 1. Waterproof IP69K, shockproof 9.73J, 3C certified for complex scenarios like mines. 2. Specially designed 2TB onboard storage, self-developed protocol. 3. Sports P2P, server networking, one-to-one and distributed cluster control. 4. AEB emergency braking. 5. SIM-based modeling. 6. Cloud networking for low latency, bandwidth, DAC, weak network resistance. 7. Domestic independent chips, flexible business model, guaranteed supply and service. 8. Provides for proprietary solutions covering hardware, software, cloud platform, and supply chain. Bingxiang Technology, a quality partner for low-speed and managed remote control solutions. Looks forward to cooperating with you and earning your trust.